explained section B of set 2 final chemistry exam 2023. So question number 19 is a solution is prepared by dissolving 10 gram of solute non-volatile solute in 200 grams of water. It has a vapor pressure of 31.84 mm of mercury at 308 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Vapor pressure of pure water. It is represented as P naught A, and vapor pressure of solution is represented as PS. So its formula is P naught A minus PS upon P naught A. You can also divide it by PS is equal to NB upon NA. NB is mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Na is mass of solvent divided by molar mass of solvent. When we put the values, 32 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. 32 minus 31.84 divided by 32 is equal to mass of solute is 10 gram. Molar mass, this is the value we have to determine, divided by 200 gram is mass of solvent, and 18 is the molar mass of solvent. When you solve it, its result comes out to be 180 gram per mole. So it is question number 19. Next is question number 20. Explain briefly carbyl amine reaction. Primary amine NH2 plus chloroform CHCl3 plus KOH alcoholic. It gives 3 KCl. It gives 3 water, 3 KCl, potassium hydroxide. We have to use 3 molecules. So 3 potassium, 3 chlorine, 3 KCl, 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen from chloroform, and 3 OH from KOH forms 3 molecules of water. But we are left with R, N and C, alkyl isocyanide or carbyl amine. So that is why it is called carbyl amine reaction. Next is Gabriel phthalimide reaction, a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So I'm going to explain it on this page. Gabriel phthalimide reaction. This is the compound called phthalimide. Treat it with KOH alcoholic, hydrogen and OH, combine them to form water molecule. N C double bond O N K. Potassium is metal containing positive charge and nitrogen non-metal containing negative charge. Reacted with primary alkyl halide RX, potassium and halogen KX, and our product is like this: CONR. Now hydrolyze it. HOH in acidic medium, NR. Combine 2 hydrogen atoms with it, RNH2, and OH with CO. It forms phthalic acid. What we are left with, it is primary amine. Next is, how would you account for E naught value for Mn3 positive to Mn2 positive couple is much more positive, means much more feasible. Mn2 positive is half filled, and half filled orbital shows extra stability. That is why converting Mn3 positive to Mn2 positive is more feasible, more positive as compared to Cr3 positive to Cr2 positive or ferric to ferrous couple. Next is permanganate ions plus 16 H plus oxalate ions. Complete this reaction. Its answer is written as it is visible on your screen. Question number 22. On diluting 2 electrolytes A and B, the lambda m molar conductance at infinite dilution, it is represented as lambda m naught or lambda m infinite. of A increases 25 times while that of B increases by 1.5 times. Which of the two electrolytes is strong? Justify your answer graphically. Its graph is like that: x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. For strong electrolytes, graph is like this. For weak electrolytes, graph is like that. In case of weak electrolytes can be diluted, there are two type of factors that comes into play. One is dissociation and second is mobility of ions. So due to these both factors, the conductance, the molar conductance of weak electrolytes increases drastically as compared to strong electrolytes, because while we are diluting the strong electrolytes, only movement of ions are affected. So B is the weak electrolyte, A is the strong electrolyte, because B is affected 25 times as compared to A. So A is the strong electrolyte as it is asked in the question. Next is the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 mole liter inverse sodium hydroxide solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohms. Calculate conductivity. So its formula and its solution is written on your screen as it is visible. Next is question number 23. Ethanol in presence of copper at 273 Kelvin. Normally this reaction do not take place at room temperature. So its question is basically having two answers. One, you can write it no reaction at room temperature. If its temperature is 573 Kelvin, then it forms ethanol. So I am writing both answers: no reaction at 273 Kelvin. Next is phenol. When reacts with bromine water, it forms trihalogenated product 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is having white precipitates. It is the chemical test of phenol also. Next is give reasons for the following. Para-nitrophenol is more acidic than para-methylphenol. So let me draw the structures of these: para-nitrophenol and para-methylphenol. Methyl is electron donating positive I effect and nitro group is electron withdrawing minus I minus R. So more the electron withdrawing group, more strong the electron withdrawing group, more is the acidic character. That is why para-nitrophenol is more acidic as compared to para-methylphenol. Next is tertiary alkyl halide on reduction with sodium methoxide gives alkene as the main product and not an ether. It is the limitation or exceptional case of Williamson's synthesis. This is tertiary alkyl halide in which 3 electron donating groups are present, positive I effect, which makes the release of Br as Br negative, resulting the formation of tertiary carbonium ion. And carbonium ions are highly stable and positive charge is highly neutralized. That is why this tertiary carbonium ion releases H positive ions and result in the formation of alkene as compared to ethers. Next is question 24. Propane 2-ol when it reacts with PCl5, H and 1Cl, next is PoCl3 and substitute OH by Cl. Now it is the secondary alkyl halide reacted with AgCN, which shows nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this type of reactions, nitrogen is the attacking reagent and forms isocyanides. So this is product A, this is product B. B part, chloropropane plus KOH. Ethanol means alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH results in elimination reaction. So let me write it. Plus KOH alcoholic, KCl, and remove water molecule. It is the beta elimination reaction. Cl and potassium and H from next carbon, OH. It results in the preparation of propene. And next step is treat it with HBr. When we add HBr, in the absence of peroxide, it follows Markovnikov's rule, in which negative part is attached with the carbon containing less number of hydrogens and positive part with carbon containing more number of hydrogens. So our product is 2-bromopropane. Now last question of section B. Define denaturation of proteins when they lose their activity. It is called denaturation of protein. Why the protein lose its activity? Because secondary or tertiary structures are converted into primary structure. So it is enough for today. It is our second lecture on the solution of CBSE exams, CBSE chemistry paper set 2. So its C part will be covered in next lecture. Thank you very much. Thank you.